quit my job a year earlier. I was an X-ray tech. Been doing it for 15 years, and I had such chronic neck and shoulder pain that it made it impossible to do my job because it's a very physical job.
Right.
And so I was like, oh crap, what am I going to do? So I just happened to run across an ad on the internet for your guitar course, guitar
Mm-hmm.
repair business
Repair
starter
business
course.
starter.
And that's
Good.
just a light bulb went off. So I looked around for other schools just to compare, and I kept coming back to yours. And I went to the website, and finally, I just texted you a quick text asking you if this was all online stuff or was it some of it through video
I remember
instructions or
that.
what? And you sent a simple text back said it's both. It's online and it's you work through it and also there's video content. I just started working through the course and just it just became so fascinating to me that I kept thinking to myself, why didn't I think of this sooner? You know, I could have saved a lot of heartache, a lot of pain, and I always wanted to, been a musician since I was 10, guitar player since I was 10. And I thought, what can I do that has anything to do with music? And when I found you guys, it just seemed like a no brainer. Well, first of all, let me just say, there's a big music scene where I live, the Raleigh Durham area. There's a big music scene down there. There always has been. I just had a lot of musician friends, and that's paid off. Started off when I first started the business, Lab Rat Guitar Workshop, Apex, North Carolina. I started about February 2023. Got a couple of customers pretty quickly. Now I'm working pretty much full time. If I want to work full time, if I want to quit early, I can quit early and go swimming. I swim laps a couple times a week at the pool. And,
Nice.
it's just afforded me not only financial security, it's afforded me the opportunity to stay home and my wife works from home and we get a lot of time together. I got my dogs here and it just makes life so much better.